All right, so by the time you have finished the first part of the exercise, you should have a range of 12 colors, all in hue. That means that 100% pure color, as opposed to have added any white or black to it to create different values for it. This particular exercise, exercise 1B, asks you to create a really rough composition, but using these colors to create to create 5 contrasting hues. That means if we refer to our swatches, and let's just go and try and get our wheel. Contrasting colors means everything that is on the opposite side of your color wheel. You either called contrasting or they're called complementary. So you need to kind of pick stuff that are on the opposite side of your color wheel. And so that's the first part. The next one is using 3 or 4 harmonious colors. That means you need to use a set of colors that are on the same side of the wheel. Those are your harmonious colors. There could be anything on neighboring colors on your color wheel. And then finally, you are supposed to use 3 harmonious colors, same side of the wheel, and 1 complementary color, which is on the other side of the wheel. So you're supposed to really use one drawing, but use colors to create a contrast and kind of then go on to assess why and how things work out for you. In Photoshop, you are required to create a simple composition. Now, this clearly is trying to mimic what the example I've placed there, but in reality, you could be using anything at all that you kind of see fit. Try to avoid any characters. At this stage, they would just confuse and conflict with the main point of the exercise. The point of the exercise is seeing what each sets of colors mean, whether you're using harmonious or whether you're using contrasting colors, and you are then supposed to see why something is more effective whereas others are not so effective. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to actually set things up in Photoshop in order for you to actually carry out that exercise successfully.